Top 50 famous singers in India. Arman Malik, 28 years from Mumbai in India. Mikka Singh, 47 years from Punjab in India. Amit Misra, 35 years from Uttar Pradesh in India. Gulzar Channiwala, 26 years from Haryana in India. Mukesh, 1923 to 1976 from Delhi in India. Hariharan, 69 years from Mumbai in India. Sukhvinder Singh, 52 years from Punjab in India. Krishna Kumar Kunath, KK, 1968 to 2022 from Delhi in India. Jess Maan, 25 years from Punjab in India. Rahul Vedya, 36 years from Maharashtra in India. Neeti Mohan, 44 years from Delhi in India. Sunidhi Chauhan, 40 years from Delhi in India. Mohammad Irfan, 39 years from Telangana in India. Hadi Sandhu, 37 years from Punjab in India. Hans Raj Hans, 62 years from Punjab in India. Kanika Kapoor, 45 years from Uttar Pradesh in India. Jasmine Sandlash, 38 years from Punjab in India. Kavita Krishnamurthy, 66 years from Delhi in India. Jesse Gill, 35 years from Punjab in India. KJ Yasudas, 84 years from Kochi in India. Himesh Reshmiya, 50 years from Mumbai in India. Shankar Mahadevan, 57 years from Mumbai in India. Shan, 51 years from Madhya Pradesh in India. Badshah, 38 years, Delhi in India. K.S. Chitra, 60 years from Kerala in India. Tony Kakkar, 40 years from Uttarakhand in India. Babu Maan, 49 years from Punjab in India. B. Prak, 38 years from Chandigarh in India. Guru Randhawa, 32 years from Punjab in India. Kesri Lal Yadav, 38 years from Bihar in India. Honey Singh, 41 years from Punjab in India. Lucky Ali, 65 years from Mumbai in India. Sidhu Moosewala, 1993 to 2022 from Punjab in India. Jubin Nautiyal, 35 years from Uttarakhand in India. Neha Kakkar, 36 years from Uttarakhand in India. Falguni Pathak, 55 years from Mumbai in India. Diljit Dosanjh, 40 years from Punjab in India. Javed Ali, 41 years from Delhi in India. Kailash Khair, 50 years from Uttar Pradesh in India. A.R. Rahman, 57 years from Tamil Nadu in India. Arijit Singh, 37 years from West Bengal in India. Asa Bhosle, 90 years from Mumbai in India. Kishore Kumar, 1929 to 1987 from Madhya Pradesh in India. Alka Yagnik, 58 years from West Bengal in India. Sonu Nigam, 50 years from Haryana in India. Mohammad Rafi, 1924 to 1980 from Punjab in India. Shreya Ghoshal, 40 years from West Bengal in India. Kumar Sanu, 66 years from West Bengal in India. Udit Narayan, 68 years from Bihar in India. Lata Mangeshkar, 1929 to 2022 from Madhya Pradesh in India. इनमें से आपने किन किन का नाम सुना है कमेंट में बताएं। अगर आपने हमारा चैनल अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो।